People widely get attracted to mysteries, right? Most of us want to know the most mysterious aspects of any place we encounter. Keeping that in mind, here is a very interesting video on Goddess Kamakhya Temple and its mystery. The couples who are desperate and want a baby. This temple in India is known for its power to enhance fertility. So let's know all about Goddess Kamakhya Shaktipeeth. So let me take you directly to the mystery and let's try to understand what are the things behind the mystery. The goddess of Kamakhya Temple is popularly known as the bleeding goddesses. It is believed that the mythological womb of Mother Shakti is installed in the Garbhagriha of the holy temple. According to the folk, the goddess bleeds just like a normal woman during her menstruation in June of every year. The mystery remains unsolved. The Brahmaputra river near Kamakhya turns red during Ambubachi Mela. Although there is no definite proof of the river water turning red, the goddess Kamakhya celebrates the strength of Shakti or power in every woman. The temple signifies menstruation as a symbol of woman's strength and power of creating a life. So when you get into the details of Ambubachi Mela during Kamakhya Devi's annual menstrual cycle, the temple, though inaccessible during Ambubachi Mela, it attracts people from across the globe. However, the doors of the temple remain closed to devotees for 3 days because the folk suggest that the goddess undergoes her annual menstrual cycle during this period. However, according to popular belief, the goddess's nurturing and feminine energies inherently get transferred to the devotees, and during these days, devotees do not do their customary puja. However, at the end of the 3rd day, the yoni-like structure is given ritual bathing. This purification process is performed after the goddess completes her menstrual cycle. Subsequently, a customary puja is done and the temple doors are reopened for devotees. And upon the temple's reopening, the devotees receive 2 kinds of prasad. The first kind of prasad is Angodak, water from sacred stream in the Garbhagriha. And the second one is Angavastra, a piece of the cloth offered to the deity during these 3 days of menstrual cycle. I'm sure right now your minds are popping up to know about the mythological mystery of Kamakhya Temple. According to the stories described by the legends, the existence of Kamakhya Temple is an interesting one. It is believed that after the marriage of Mother Sati and Lord Shiva, the father of Sati, King Daksha was very unhappy. To insult Lord Shiva, he arranged a yajna. He invited all the gods but purposely didn't invite Lord Shiva. On the other hand, Mother Sati fought with Lord Shiva and went to the yajna. She got more insulted by her father and Sati couldn't take it when her father insulted her husband Lord Shiva. Thus, she directly jumped into the fire of yajna. When Lord Shiva came to know about the incident, he lost his mind in anger. Lord Shiva carried his beloved Sati's dead body and started performing Tandava. When other gods witnessed the scene, they knew if Lord Shiva was not stopped, the world will soon be destroyed. Therefore, Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan Chakra and cut the Sati into 51 pieces. The various parts of Mother Sati fell into several places, and those places are considered as the Shakti Pithas. It is believed that the yoni, that is genital organ of Sati, fell into the area where now stands the Kamakhya Temple. Where is the Kamakhya Temple located? The Kamakhya Temple on the Nilachal Hills in western Guwahati, a city on the banks of Brahmaputra in Assam. Now let's try to understand why the Kamakhya Devi is said to have the power to boost fertility. The womb and the yoni are the organs that make the reproduction possible, right? These represent the feminine and gives birth to a new life. However, the Kamakhya is also said to be the place where the Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati united. Furthermore, the place is said to have been found by the Kamadeva, the god of love. Hence, it celebrates sexuality, fertility and everything in feminine. This place is known for its power to boost fertility. Small wonder that childless couples with the deepest desire for a baby visit this temple and worship Mother Goddess hailed as Kamakhya Devi. Kamakhya Temple also holds puja for repelling dark spirits and ghosts. The puja conducted by these tantrics help one to get rid of negative energies surrounding him. It sparks up to life, especially during Ambubachi Mela when thousands of tantrics visit the temple shrine. Kamakhya Devi Homam is believed to be extremely powerful ritual devoted to Goddess Kamakhya, the goddess of desire. The ritual venerates the power of goddesses in the form of yoni, considered to be the representation of fertility and creation. Another interesting fact about the temple is that this is one of the temples where men are not allowed to get into. Kamakhya Temple situated in the Nilachal Hills. Here the men are not allowed to enter the temple premises when the goddesses menstruates. Only female priests or sannyasis are allowed to serve the temple during those days. During this time, the temple management allows only women to enter the premises. Benefits of visiting Kamakhya can be many. As any other Hindu or Buddhist temple or shrine, you will feel ultimate peace and experience of the place. It will be something extra than the others because of inviting sadhus, tantrics and locals. You will have the chance to experience the divinity, auspiciousness of the feminine power. Inside the temple, the bells and the drums, the heavy music, the air will make you feel as if you have reached the goddess. Try looking around, up and down, everywhere, trust me. It feels like you are